Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are going to watch this video from. Yes, my name is Hannah from East Africa, Kenya. Yes guys, living in Mombasa, the place we call Mtwapa. Yeah, and it's around 8 here in Kenya. And you know what guys, it has been raining the whole night. It has been raining the whole night. Yeah, and we have no roads now. There's no roads. You can see, I want to show you. You can see, this is where I live. This is where I live. But you know what guys, there is no road. That place is full of water. I can take you around. Even the rain is still there. It's around 8 a.m. in the morning. You can see the place is so beautiful, but you know what guys, the rain has rained the whole night. Yeah, and still it's going to rain right now. You can see how it looks like. That one is rain, but we thank God for the rain. Amjambo. Poa. You see this road guys? This one is water. You can see. People now are struggling because of the rain. Even the kids, they are struggling, guys, to go to school. Yeah, let me show you this place. Guys, we have our neighbor here. He already planted a lot of vegetables. You can see he has already planted kunde. Yeah, he has already planted kunde. You can see those are all kunde. Yes, let me show you how the road is looking like. Yeah, no road. You can see how the kids are struggling to go to school. You can see somewhere there, even the road is already damaged. Yeah, this is a bar where people used to enjoy their evening time. Mpaka umeamua kutoa viatu. Hakupitiki. Si ndio nataka nini hapa. Too much rain and still coming. You can see this water coming from the main road. Hey. Guys, you see this water? Even I'm passing on this water. Just want to show you. Yeah, you see? This is all the sand that the rain has already carried. What? Guys, you see, there's no road there, even where to pass. People are struggling. Hey, Pa! You see, guys, nowhere to pass. Even the owner of the shop, she has already closed the shop because nowhere to pass. All the place is full of water. Guys, you see? And the water is still coming from the main. That is the border. See, they are struggling to pass. I'm telling this man to remove the sandals. You can see. Mvua ya huku sinajua hakuna pahali penye maji inaenda. Yeah, too bad. No, otherwise, you see guys, people are struggling. Full of water. Huh? People are just passing on top of water. You can see. This place is full of water, guys. Let me take you there. Even myself, I'm just passing on top of this water, you can see. We have no drainage of water here in Mombasa. That is the boda man. Struggling. Full of water. You see guys? Let me take you here. That is the shop. The owner has already closed the shop because nowhere people are going to pass while they are buying. Yeah. You can see beautiful buildings, but the road full of water. Guys, you can see people are struggling even to remove the shoes. Even this is the hotel, but they didn't open today because of rain. Anauliza chai. Dawa hajapika chochote. Guys. Lot of water. Nowhere to pass. Guys, even you can see this is the hotel. This is where they used to cook their food, but they cannot cook. Yes. Leo hakuna kupika. What? So let me go home. I already show you how it's look like, full of water. No drainage of taking this water. Yeah. Guys, you can see the vehicle. This is the school van. Even kids are already sleeping. Yeah, that is the school van. Yes. You see? Ujaenda shule? Our beautiful place. Yeah, but we don't have road. Ametoka wapi huyu mzee? Ametoka Korana. Wapi? Atapitia wapi? Guys, let me go back home. I just wanted to show you how it has rained at night. Hope you have seen. Yeah. Beautiful place. Lot of coconut trees. Yeah. And the rain is still coming. Yeah, but we cannot say anything to God because this is His work. Yeah, this is God's work. Yeah. This is how we are passing. Nowhere to pass. Yeah. We are passing on top of this water, but nothing to do. Wow. So guys, I'm going to end my video here. Hope you are going to like my video. Guys, support my video by watching my videos. Support my channel by watching my videos. Yes. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Like, comment and share. Don't skip the ad, guys. Watch till the end. We love you guys. Bye. See you to the next video. We love you.